Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm working on this 2016 Kia Soul with a 1.6 liter engine in it. The concern is rear speakers working right now. I verified this one is not working right now. This is the only one's working. Also, this one is all plugged in, but it's not working. And this one too. All right, let's go ahead and find out why. All right, guys, so I'm gonna unplug this one right there, and I'm gonna use my power probe to measure the voltage on each wire. Okay, right now I got 5.8 on the blue one, and I got 5.8 on the red one. Okay, so this is the non-good one. I'm gonna go unplug it. Here we go. So this is the non-good one. So let's go ahead and measure the black wire first. Okay, I got 5.8, and I got 5.8 as well. So I think we don't have any issue with our harness, fuses, and a radio, because this guy works. Right? Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and measure these two more. It's kind of odd that all three of these gone bad at the same time, but it could happen. Okay, so I got 5.8 as well. 5.8. I got the same voltage here. Yep, I got the same voltage on each side. Now let's go ahead and do the resistance test. Oops, I got my power probe. Okay, so check for resistance here. Okay, so I'm gonna measure each side right here. Oh, I don't have any resistance. Nothing. Cool. So I think this speaker is bad. All right, remember, this is the known good one. See that? All right, let's go ahead and measure it. Oh, there you have it. I got 4 point something going on here. 4.2 right there. We got resistance here. Huh, it's weird. Three of them gone bad at the same time. Okay, this one is also 0. No continuity, no resistance, nothing. Okay. This one is also the same, nothing. It's kind of weird. Three of them gone bad at the same time. But hey, we got pretty good evidence. Open circuit on 3 of them. Alright guys, unfortunately we don't have the parts. I'm gonna make another video showing you guys how to replace the speaker on your 2016 Kia Soul. Thank you guys.